This is not an April Fool's joke. We're going to discuss what will happen to project managers by 2030 and whether or not project management careers will even exist in 2030. This video is brought to you by Project Management Simplified, where we offer insightful information through short-length videos on project management, digital transformation techniques, and agile ways of working. The link to our videos are provided below. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. So, I'm going to address 3 points in this video. What will change by 2030? How we can prepare and future-proof ourselves today, and whether project management jobs will still exist in 2030. For each of these, I'll use insights from 2 reports that I found very insightful. The first one is an article by McKinsey called The Future of Project and Program Management. This article was published in July 2022 and is available on the McKinsey website. The second report I want to share is The Pulse of the Profession 2022 by PMI, which is published annually and contains valuable insights for project managers around the world. Here are some facts and figures from both reports to help us understand what the state of project management is today. By 2030, the number of projects and programs is only expected to increase, but the way we deliver them will change significantly. In the research by PMI, they interviewed 3,500 project managers across the world and found out that currently project managers spend 30% of their time on work that could be done by others, and that project managers spend on average only 21% of their time actually managing projects. Interestingly enough, project managers have a big impact on business outcomes. High-performing project managers are 3 times more likely to report that their organization's strategic goals are achieved through projects compared to low-performing project managers. According to McKinsey, there are 4 megatrends that will shape the future of project management by 2030. The first megatrend is the rise of artificial intelligence and automation. AI and automation will affect every industry and profession, and project management will not be an exception. However, let's not forget that AI and automation can augment our skills rather than replace us. How? There are repetitive tasks within project management that can be easily automated, such as updating dashboards, sending meeting requests, or even scheduling meetings. More complex decisions, such as assessing risks or managing stakeholders, may require human expertise for now. But even here, AI can support us by providing data and insights based on historical patterns. The second megatrend is the growth of platforms and ecosystems. Platforms and ecosystems can help project managers and their teams to stay connected, collaborate, and share information. They can provide access to a wider pool of talent and resources and can help us to standardize processes and improve efficiency. Think about collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams or project management tools like Jira or Monday.com. The third megatrend is the increasing focus on sustainability. Sustainability is becoming a key driver of business strategy, and project managers will need to consider the environmental and social impacts of their projects. This means considering the entire life cycle of a product or service when making decisions and being accountable for the performance of projects against sustainability goals. And the fourth megatrend is the need for resilience and agility. Businesses are facing increasing pressure to be resilient and agile in the face of disruption. Project managers will need to be able to adapt quickly to changing circumstances and to lead teams that are capable of delivering in ambiguous situations. This means being comfortable with uncertainty, embracing change, and being able to make decisions with incomplete information. How should we prepare and future-proof our skills? Well, let's start with upskilling and reskilling. We need to invest in our own development and learn new skills that will be in demand in the future. For example, skills in digital transformation techniques, agile ways of working, data analysis, and AI will be very valuable. Now, I've already mentioned that we have an interesting short videos on this channel in those areas. Next, we need to build our networks and stay connected with other project managers and industry experts. We can do this by attending events, joining professional organizations, and engaging with others on social media. Finally, we need to embrace lifelong learning and be open to change. This means being willing to learn new things, to experiment, and to take risks. What does this mean for project managers? As project managers, we need to focus on the skills that are difficult to automate and that require human expertise such as critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. We also need to be comfortable with using technology to enhance our skills and to improve our efficiency. And we need to be able to lead teams that are diverse and distributed and that operate in a fast-paced environment. Will project managers still be needed in 2030? Based on the research I've seen, the answer is yes. However, the role of the project manager will continue to evolve and change. The project manager of 2030 will be a hybrid leader who combines traditional project management skills with new skills in digital transformation techniques, agile ways of working, data analysis, and AI. They will be able to lead teams that are dispersed and diverse and that operate in a complex and uncertain environment. They will be comfortable with using technology to enhance their skills and to improve their efficiency. They will also be able to focus on the strategic aspects of project management and to ensure that projects align with the overall business strategy. In short, the project managers of 2030 will be the ones who are able to learn and to adapt to the changing demands of the profession. Thank you for watching. Here's a summary of what we've discussed in this video. We've talked about 4 important megatrends that will impact project managers by 2030. These are the rise of artificial intelligence and automation, the growth of platforms and ecosystems, the increasing focus on sustainability, and the need for resilience and agility. We've also discussed 3 actions that we can take to prepare and future-proof ourselves. These are upskilling and reskilling, building our networks and staying connected and embracing lifelong learning and being open to change. And finally, we've concluded that yes, project managers will still be needed in 2030, but the role will continue to evolve and change. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.